Package dimensions: 3. 555 lx2, 794 hx0, 254 w, centimeters. Package weight: 0.022 pounds. Automotive cooling parts. Country of origin: China. Since 1918, we have been the automotive aftermarket's pioneering problem solvers. We have released thousands of parts and components that people could once only buy from original equipment manufacturers. By always innovating, we have led the way in growing the aftermarket, providing more opportunity to individuals and businesses who depend on automotive maintenance. That's why our catalog includes more than 80,000 products and grows every year. Top reviews from the United States. This worked through extreme temp changes. Solid buy. This did the job when my heater core bit the dust and I needed a temporary fix until I could address the issue. Very tight fit, but hose placement gives you lots of room to get it in place. Fit my 2003 4.0 Wrangler perfectly. Held up for the 5 or 6 weeks I ran with it, during winter, so it went from 200+ to 0-degree weather and did not crack. Great buy.